All right, folks, I've been having some pretty good luck lately, and this is the second new in-box fan that I scored. This is a 48-inch Montgomery Ward ceiling fan. I guess there's not really no model name for it. SKU number 422720. And they just call it a teak wood and antique brass with reverse switch 48-inch ceiling fan with hand woven cane inserts. So yeah, pretty cool. You can also get it with a light kit. It is light kit adaptable. I do not have one on there right now, but here she is. It's got a reverse switch on the upper canopy. The capacitor inside the upper canopy is dated March of 1982, so it's a pretty early fan. Lovely metal bell canopy. And right there, it's actually got a notch for a swag kit if you so choose. Pretty cool piece. I believe that sticker should say Evergo Industrial Enterprise Limited. I do like how the blades have this black outline on them. That's a pretty cool touch. And they are somewhat clear coated. This is where you remove this bottom plate and two wires come out from the center, and you can add your light kit. There's a little nipple that comes with the fan, so you can screw the nipple on and mount your light kit there. This is the factory solid state control that it came with. It's not scratched up. The cellophane is still on it, so I don't want to take it off just yet. But as you can see, it's a cardboard box with a trim pot. I did adjust said trim pot so the low speed is nice and low. Very cool. This is the box for the motor. Definitely a typo there. Or maybe that's how they spell antique in Hong Kong, I don't know. Very cool. All right, so that's enough chit chat. Let's go ahead and fire it up here. Might help if I plug it in, so let me just do that first. And we will start it off on low speed. Let's get this centered a little bit. Solid state hum. As you can see, low speed is quite aesthetic. Nice and slow, drawing about 0.34 amps and 12.4 watts. So we'll go ahead and turn her up a little bit. Go up just a little more here. Keep going a little more. A little more. And we'll crank her all the way up here. As you can see, it's going pretty quick. Definitely moving the air. We're at 0.85 amps and 98.4 watts. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. We'll go ahead and shut her off here. Let her coast. Like I've said in the past, I'm not a real big spinner guy, but this one was definitely cool because of the cane. And this one does seem to be a little nicer than the ones that I've run into before. I know Evergo makes a pretty decent quality product, so. And just for grins, we'll go ahead and do a 0 to high. Not a whole lot of motor running harmonics, but still cool. Like I said, this fan does pretty good. Goes pretty fast. So the fact that it's new in box makes it all the cooler. I don't know if I'll get rid of it or hold on to it, but either way, I'd need a pretty high ceiling to install it because this fan wasn't exactly designed for a low ceiling application. But anyway, just wanted to get on here and show it off. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.